Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given these two equations, which is describing the market for a certain product, where we have this equation, S of P, is given the quantity of the product supplied to the market when the price is P dollars, and D of P is the quantity of the product demanded by the market when the price is P dollars. We're asked, how will the quantity of the product supplied change if the price of the product is increased by $10? So this language might be a little bit confusing, but we are given the product supplied to the market is given by S of P. We're told that right there. So how will S of P change? Again, the quantity of the product supplied to the market, quantity of the supply, how much will this change? How much will S of P change when the price P is increased by 10? So we have to take S of 0 and S of 10. And you could take this for any P values where you're increasing by 10, but it's always good to use 0 because the numbers are usually really easy. So S of P is 1/2 P plus 40. So S of 0 is 1/2, and then P is 0, so 1/2 times 0 plus 40. 1/2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 40 is 40. Again, numbers are always really nice when you have 0 involved. And then for 10, similar thing, 1/2, just plugging in 10 this time, plus 40. It's going to be slightly more complicated, but only slightly. 1/2 of 10 is 5, plus 40 is 45. So when the price of the product is increased by 10, S, which is this quantity right here, goes from 40 to 45. So the quantity will go from 40 to 45. It'll increase by 5. The quantity supplied will increase by 5. This lines up with B, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.